Hey everyone, it's Miss Christine here from the Twos One class at North Campus. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple paint recipe to make some homemade paint at home that you can paint with. So you just need a few things. You need a mixing bowl, you'll need some water, some salt, some flour, and then food coloring so you can make your paint whatever color you'd like. So I'm going to start with, in my bowl, I'm going to add a half a cup of water. And then I'm going to add in a half a cup of flour. It doesn't have to be exact. It's best estimate is fine too. And then you're going to add in a little bit less than half a cup of salt. So I'm using a 1/4 cup scoop. So I'm going to fill one of my scoops to the top, and then my second scoop, I'm going to fill it about 2/3 of the way full, and then pour it in. I found that not as much salt was better, so closer to about halfway full of a 1/4 cup on the second scoop is fine too. All right, and then I'm going to add in my food coloring. So I've made purple already. This time I'm going to make some green. Any food coloring you have at home is fine. The liquid, the gel, whatever. I have the gel here, so that's what I'm going to use. If you have some liquid watercolor at home too, I'm sure that would work. And then simply just mix it up. And you just want to keep mixing it until all the flour and salt is combined. And then once you've done that, you have made your very own paint that you can paint with at home. So, I'm all mixed up, and then I would just grab some paper, a paintbrush, and I'm good to get painting. Have fun. See you next time.